Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a new payment method to Coinbase. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to start funding your cryptocurrency investments using a different payment method. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now if you haven't signed up for Coinbase just yet, you can use my link down below in order to sign up, and once you do, you'll get $20 worth of Bitcoin sent to you. Now, if we hop onto Coinbase, it's been a while since I've actually added a new payment method, so this is what I had to figure out. First, log onto Coinbase, then on the upper left-hand corner, you want to click on the hamburger icon, and then you want to click on Account and Settings on the top-hand side. Once you do that, you'll see that there's different payment methods that you have connected here. Click on Add a Payment Method, and here's where you can add your PayPal, wire transfers, gift card, debit card, or bank account to Coinbase. But there you have it. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add a new payment method into Coinbase. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.